Hi, this is Farhana from Bon Vivant, and today I'll show you quick chicken keema kebabs. Very simple and easy. Hi, to make this protein-packed, delicious, and easy recipe, you will need the following. Just mix all ingredients and keep it aside for about an hour to marinate well. And after that, you'd make small patties and fry them. You can also air fry them with a little bit of sprayed oil on them. Hope you enjoy making this easy recipe, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.